In the lush splendor of the Amazon rainforest, where towering trees and dense foliage create a natural canopy that blankets the sky, there flows a long, enchanting river that meanders through the forest with its soothing ripples. This river brings life into the forest, quenching the thirst of the flora and fauna that reside around it. The sound of rushing water accompanies the footsteps of adventurers venturing into this natural wonder. The Amazon rainforest is home to a variety of wild animals, from the smallest to the largest. Amidst the dense green foliage and intertwining branches, vivid colors from the free-flying feathers of birds catch the eye. One of the most captivating birds is the macaw, with its colorful plumage radiating the beauty of the Amazon wilderness. Let's delve into the life of the macaw up close. We can observe how these birds interact with each other, how they forage among the dense branches for food, and how the beauty of their feathers inspires awe and wonder. While journeying along the river that cuts through the forest and feeling the gentle breeze filled with the scent of the wild, we can truly experience the unmatched marvel and beauty of the Amazon rainforest. It is a paradise for wildlife, where life and beauty intertwine in perfect harmony. Let's take a closer look at the life of these macaw birds.
Hello, little friends! Welcome to our educational adventure today. We are about to enter the magical and colorful world of macaw birds. I will take you into the lush tropical forest where these birds live and play freely. Here are the macaw birds, birds with bright feathers and amazing stories. They come in beautiful, vibrant colors, ranging from fiery red to deep ocean blue, with strong and sharp beaks. However, their beauty is not just in their colorful plumage, but also in their intelligence and adorable personalities. Macaw birds live in vast Amazon rainforests and other tropical forests in South America. They love to soar high in the blue sky, searching for fresh fruits and seeds, which are their favorite foods. Additionally, macaw birds are loyal companions. They enjoy social interactions, playing with their fellow companions, and can even talk to humans. Yes, some macaw birds have the ability to mimic human sounds, making them one of the most fascinating birds to observe.
Also known as a macaw parrot. Hi, I'm Kaylin, the author of The Parrot Bliss Bond, having some fun this afternoon while my husband's with the Mac monsters.
Macaws are famous for the beauty of their feathers. Here are some of the most famous types of macaws. 1. Blue and gold macaw. Known for their vibrant blue and yellow feathers, they are among the most popular macaw species among bird enthusiasts. 2. Scarlet macaw. Featuring bright red plumage with accents of blue and yellow, the scarlet macaw is one of the most striking and well-known birds in the world. 3. Green-winged macaw. Though primarily green, they have bright blue and red feathers on their wings, making them easily recognizable. 4. Hyacinth macaw. These macaws have deep blue feathers and are one of the largest macaw species in the world. 5. Military macaw. With bright green plumage and red accents on their forehead, military macaws have a very appealing appearance. These 5 types of macaw birds are some of the most renowned and cherished among bird lovers worldwide. However, friends, it's crucial for us to protect their home. Deforestation and climate change pose threats to the existence of macaw birds. Therefore, it's very important for us to learn more about them and participate in conservation efforts to preserve their natural habitat. Through our understanding and concern, we can help ensure that macaw birds and other animal friends continue to shine in the wild. So, let's work together to preserve nature and all the beautiful creatures within it. Thank you for joining our educational adventure today, little friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends to invite them to join us in preserving the diversity of our natural world. See you in the next adventure. Stay cheerful and happy learning.